Hello everyone, so today we're going to be smoking turkeys for Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. We're going to be using the Traeger smoker. Those beautiful golden brown turkeys. So we're going to be using the Traeger Gourmet wood pellets for smoking. And on the side here it tells you what you can use it for, what it's best for flavoring. Grilling, smoking salmon, baking, roasting turkey, barbecue, so on and so forth. Alright guys, so we're going to check out what our turkeys look like. They've been smoking since 9 a.m. The time now is 4 o'clock. This is what they look like. Take a look. We do have a thermometer inside them. As you can see, this needle, it's breaking stuff already. So this here is a Maverick thermometer. It tells us that it's at 169 degrees. We also have the adapter that's inside. That way we don't have to constantly come in and out. But with the Traeger, you don't really have to worry about it much because it's set at you set the temperature here and it tells you when it's at. So the entire temperature is 194. The center of the turkey is 169. So that's how you're able to monitor the outside and the inside of the turkey. Alright, so at 165 the turkey should be ready. We're going to go ahead and insert the needle pin and find out what this turkey is at. Nice and juicy. So it's reading now. Alright, so the turkey looks to be about done. It's at 166, so we're perfect here. We'll just check the center of the breast as well. This one might be a little hotter. Alright, and then our second turkey is at 158. So this one needs a little more time. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and move it over to the other side. So one of the reasons why the temperature might be lower on this one than this one is because the Traeger smoker blows the heat from the bottom this way and it circulates back over. The fact that we have a turkey here is affecting the circulation. And we're going to move the other one there to the center. So here we go. I'm going to try my best not to damage it. Go ahead and take this inside and close this. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and center this bad boy. Oops, I'm dropping lemons. Alright, now that it's done, I'm also going to go ahead and add a ham.